ఈ వీడియో చదువుకునే వారి కోసం మాత్రమే. ప్లీజ్ మీ ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ పెట్టుకొని చూడండి.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Placement Portal. So guys, I've started the Infosys series. So in this series, we are going to learn the problems which were asked recently in Infosys for specialized hiring. Okay, so this is one of the problem we are going to discuss today. So the question is pairs. So in the question itself, it is saying that pairs. Pairs means there will be two elements. The combination of two elements is called as pairs, right? So in the question itself, it is saying that it is a pairs. So let's discuss the question. First, we'll read the question. You're given an array A of n integers. Define the function get for any pair indices of L and R. Okay, we need to satisfy this condition as follows. Okay, so he's saying that there is a array called A with n integers. So as per sample test case, we will be seeing. Okay, let's discuss as per sample test case. So A is equals to, okay, A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, this is the our array. Okay, so he's saying to the question itself says that the pairs. Okay, we need to find the pairs first. Okay, okay, so pairs, how we can find the pairs, let's discuss. So pairs means the set of two elements. So in this, how many pairs are there? 1 comma 1 is a pair, 1 comma 2 is a pair, 2 comma 1 is a pair. So if we generate the subarrays, so what is the subarray? What is the definition of subarray? See, we can use the subarray formula in this. No, right? Because what is the definition of subarray? Let's discuss what is the definition of subarray here. Subarray, the continuous elements in array is called subarray. So see, the word itself says the continuous elements. Let's discuss the subarray of A. For this example only, let's discuss the subarrays. So continuous, he said that continuous. 1 comma 2, okay, is a subarray. 1 is a subarray, 2 is a subarray. Okay, 2 comma 1 is a subarray, continuous. Okay, 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 is a subarray. Okay, so these are the subarrays. But see, 1 comma 1 is not a subarray. See, 1 comma 1, but in our pairs 1 comma 1 is also, in our question 1 comma 1 is also a pair, but here 1 comma 1 is not a subarray. So the subarray criteria is not satisfying, so we can't use subarray method here. Okay, like generation of subarrays we can't use here. Okay, so what we can use? We can use subsequence. Okay, what is subsequence? Let's discuss first. Okay, see, subsequence. A subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing its order. Let's discuss. Let's generate the subsequences. So these are the subsequences. Okay, see, 1 comma 2 is a subsequence. Okay, we did not change the order. After 1 only 2 is coming here. Okay, we did not change anything. We did not change the order here. So this is a subsequence. 2 comma 1 is also a subsequence because we did not change. After 2 only 1 is coming. So we did not change it here. Okay, 1 comma 1 is subsequence. See, after 1 only 1 is coming. In middle we have deleted 2, but we did not change the order. Okay, so after 1 only 1 is coming. Here if it is 3, 1 comma 3 is a subarray because after 1 only 3 is coming. We should not change the order in subsequences, but we can delete the elements. Okay, so this is called a subsequence. So 1 comma 1 is also a pair, right? So it is also a subsequence also. So we can use the subsequence method to generate the pairs. Okay, so these are the pairs: 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Okay, now we have generated the pairs. So 2 2 is the pair, right? And 1 is also a subsequence, 2 is also a subsequence. Okay, 1 is also individually a subsequence. So these are the subsequences, but In our question, they are asking the pairs. So 1 comma 1 is a pair because two elements. The set of two elements is called as pairs. Okay. So I have generated the pairs first. Okay. These are the possible pairs. These are the possible pairs we can generate for this array. Okay. Now let's discuss the more about the question. So now we have generated the pairs. Next, what to do? Okay. See, let's discuss. Next, we have to find the m value. So we have to find the m value here. So let m be the maximum value in the subarray of a of l plus 1 to r minus 1. Okay. The maximum value. Okay. Let's find here. Okay. Let's take let us take 1 comma 1 as a first pair. Okay. L is equals to 0. R is equals to 2. Okay. 1 comma 1. I have taken 1 comma 1 as a pair. Okay. And we need to find the m value for that. Okay. See, let us find the m value. M value is the value between l plus 1 comma r minus 1. So maximum value, m value is the maximum value of these elements, m value. Okay. So let's think. L plus 1 means that is the values in between L and R we need to take. So in the L and R, the maximum values in between values, what is there? Only 2. In some cases, we can have 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. But in between L and R, then we need to take the maximum value from this. Okay. Okay. In this maximum value, that is 4. So m value will be 4. But in our case, there is only single element in between L and R. So the single element is 2, right? And it is the maximum. So for this, m value will be what is the m value? 2. Okay. We have got the m value. Okay. Now we have got the m value. Now let's discuss what's next. After finding m value, what we have to check? See, we have to check if m is greater than or equals to min of a of l comma r, then set get value to 0. Okay. Let's check it. Okay. M is equals to 2. Now let's find min of a of l comma a of r. Okay. Let's check it. M is equals to 2 is greater than or equals to. Okay. Min of a of L comma a of R. Okay. So what is a of L? A of L means 1. A of R also 1. So 1 comma 1. In this minimum is 1. 2 is greater than or equals to 1. The condition satisfies, right? So the condition is true. Then what he said, if the condition is true, then the get value will be 0. So the get value is automatically set to 0. Okay. So the get value for 1 comma 1 pair is 0. Okay. We have got the get value. If this condition satisfy, they have said that get value keep it as 0. Okay. Then let's move to the third condition. Okay. To discuss the third condition, we need to check for another pair. Okay. The third condition is saying that if this condition is false, then we need to find the get value. And he also given the formula to find the get value here. Okay. So let's discuss for the another pair. Okay. Let's discuss. So first, let's discuss for 1 comma 2 pair. Okay. L is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1. R is equals to 1. Okay. So, in between L and R, there are any elements? No, right? So, to find the M value, there should be some more other elements. If there are no elements in between the L and R, then M value will be 0. Okay. If there are no elements in between L and R, see 1 comma 2, in between 1 comma 2 there are any elements present? No, right? So we can set M value as 0. Okay, we have got the M value, that is 0. Now 0 is greater than or equals to min of A of L comma A of R. So what is A of L? 1. And what is A of R? 2. So 1 comma 2, in that minimum is 1. So 0 is greater than or equals to 1. Is the condition is true? No, right? So if the condition is not true, the get value should be calculated. So how get value should be calculated? Get is equals to, here they have given the formula actually in the question itself. Let's see the formula. See, get is equals to min of A of L comma A of R square into R minus L. Okay. Get is equals to min of A of L comma A of R square. Okay, square into R minus L. Okay, the formula here only they were given R minus L. Okay, now let's find get value. Min of A of L comma A of R. What is the min of A of L comma A of R? 1 comma 2. What is the minimum? 1. Okay, 1 square into, what is the R value? Here R value is equals to 1, right? R value is equals to 1 minus, what is the L value? 0. Okay, now let's find what is the 1 square value? 1 into, what is 1 minus 0? That is 1. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Then 1 into 1, what is the value? 1. So here we got the get value. Get value is equals to 1. So in this get value is 1. Here get value is 0. Here get value is 1. And here also we are getting another pair, that is L is equals to 1 and R is equals to 2. That is 2 comma 1. For this pair also M is equals to 0. And we also get the get value because same, right? 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 is same, right? So here also get is equals to 1. Now what will be the output? We have got all the get values. In this get values, what is the maximum value? That is 1. And that maximum values, how many times it's repeating? That is 2. So we have to return the 2. Okay. 1 will be from this get value, 0 comma 1 comma 1 is our get value. We need to find the maximum value and we need to find that maximum value count. Okay, the maximum value is 1 and 1 is how many times it is repeating in the get results? It is repeating for two pairs, right? So that is 2. So we need to return 2. See here. Okay, I hope you guys understood. If there are any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you all.